Oh my lord, look at this. This is so sad. It's like finding an abandoned puppy. How could you do this? Leaving a revolver out in the open like that, out in the cold. Let me show you the power. Let me show you what it's capable of.
Hold it for me. I'm wasting my time trying to make up my mind. Well, I'm sitting here as the chandelier.
Oh my fucking god, I'm an absolute madman.
Can I get a
Somebody call my mom. Tell her she gave birth to a demon. A revolver demon. Oh my lord, the revolver god shows no mercy. He sees ass cheeks, he pulls them apart, and he just goes tongue first right into the chocolate starfish. You only get one shot against the revolver god. And he blew it. Hold on one second, I got a med kit real quick. I've missed too many shots. You going for it?